Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Please kindly subscribe, like video, share video as well as ukubuka nalawo ma ads. So khuluma ngodaba likaGogo Maweni. Kubukeka ngathi ke i-case yakhe ipostponiwe. Gogo Maweni bese court kuthiwa ke mntakababo cameras were rolling into ikanjalo ke ugogo we celebrity phela eya enkantolo laphana wegazi ecaleni lakhe. Remember wayeboshiwe before ugogo ke waphuma ngebail, so uloke ephindela ke enkantolo. The controversial Sangoma Gogo Maweni stormed in court with the new camera crew. With the camera crew, there's no new. With the camera crew for allegedly her reality show. So which means wonke lo msebenzi ukungena kwakhe court na yonke into is going to be part of her reality show, right? So uGogo Maweni keeps cameras rolling ebakhuluma ngakho laphana ka Daily Sun, but she keeps cameras rolling ngase court because uzawudinga wonke lo mdlalo. I mean, it's part of her life. Whatever is happening ama court and all that, so ama camera ke bekarola ke mtakaba where everything was done. In a dramatic turn of events, the notorious Sangoma Gogo Maweni, who is 38, made her much awaited court appearance on Wednesday, 12 March, surrounded by cameras capturing every moment for her reality show on Moja Love issue Tokoza Gogo. She stood calmly in the courtroom. So ube calm phela ugogo ukuthi nalaphana masisibuka ku show yakhe singabone tatazela njengathi, you know what I mean. Bon Makgotso Mofokeng uGogo Maweni appeared underrated by serious charges leveled against her. Steadfast alongside her supportive husband, family and friends during tense trial proceedings. So ke ube ekhashwe ke umyeni wakhe ke uButisabelo Mgube. Sisazokhuluma ngale ya audio bafethu ka Butisabelo Mgube noGogo Maweni. Angazi ukuthi baya actor le ndaba. Phela yazi kune reality show lana Gogo Maweni, so konke lokhu ngiyakucabanga bafethu. Ngipostile le audio, right, webe kuthiwa ke uGogo Maweni ke uthola ukuthi indoda yakhe iyajola, so isiyeze yazala nengane ngaphandle. Manje kuthi uGogo Maweni ngathi ubamba ifone uthi uButisabelo Mgube akakhulume nalo sisi wengane amtshele ukuthi nginomfazi mina. Yeah, the way bengipicture ngakhona izinto is like ngathi bebembambela ugodo or isicathulo something ukuthi khuluma mtshele lo sisi, mtshele ukuthi awusamfuni, you know what I mean. Ngazothi lalela ngathi we I wonder la khona uhleli ngakubo uButisabelo Mgube mhlambe ke bamvimbezele ekhoneni, but uzoyitshela le ntombazana ukuthi kuphelile between you and her. Ngizothi nginomfazi and ngizocela ukuthi uhlukane nathi. I think he said something like that. So if abayidlali yonke lento for their reality show, it's real. Hayi ke ugogo nyamsaba bafethu. Yamsaba ugogo bafethu. Now, the incident which allegedly occurred in 2019 involved an attack on a relative of her former partner. Says kuthiwa ke is like udade wabo ka Siyabonga Zulu. I think Siyabonga Zulu, the one who passed away recently, wadlula emhlabeni ke ubhuti baby daddy ka Gogo Maweni. I think ngiye ngazo something ukuthi ke umuntu wayevulele licala ngudade wabo ka Siyabonga Zulu, I think so ke ngoba lana bathi this incident happened in 2019 and it involves an attack on a relative of a former partner. Kwashiwo vele ukuthi udade wabo ka Siyabonga Zulu. So the state prosecutor advocate Karabo Moagi announced that the trial would be rescheduled. What we've agreed on a date for the trial, which is May 5, 2025. Moagi said firmly his proclamation echoing through the courtroom, right? He disclosed that the three witnesses were ready to testify, promising more explosive revelations in the coming months. The magistrate Uterrell, overseeing proceedings, issued a stern warning to the defendant. So what you are on bail and your bail is extended until the 5th of May. You must be present at 8:30 a.m. Failure to attend will result in your arrest and your bail will be revoked. As Gogo Maweni departed the courtroom, the atmosphere was thick with anticipation. The postponement only added to the intrigue surrounding the case. What will unfold when the trial finally begins? What secrets will be unveiled? One thing for sure, the drama is far from over when it comes to uGogo Maweni bafethu, and the countdown to the 5th of May has begun. icala ke leli kagogo Maweni. Ngibonile nakazi moja bekhuluma ngalo ke ukuthi gogo Maweni's case has been postponed. So ngungada there but ube nama camera kugogo bekudlala icamera laphana for reality show kagogo. Kazi moja bebethi assault case against gogo Maweni postponed. Ugogo Maweni's case was postponed to May. So asizukuya siyofunda ke ngoba vele sesifundile ngalolu daba ke. So ke kuthiwa kube hamba nama camera gogo ngoba phela khumbula ukuthi une reality show laphana ka Moja Love, a show emayelana nezangoma, something like that, nokuba isangoma, you know what I mean. So mina ulona daba ngogogo Maweni, mina nje ngisazikhumbulela nje uButsabelo Mgube on that particular recording bafethu angazi kwenzekani laphana. I'm like, let's hope lento leyo ngifuna ukuyi-edit laphana kwi reality show yeni, because what the hell was that? Ugogo wafunga ukuthi akujola nendoda yakhe ngithini jikijiki indoda seyinengane ngaphandle. Ujole kanjani usisi wangavelelwa ulutho? Unless gogo udlala ngathi, like honestly speaking this is just something else. Ngathi ogogo bayathanda ukuzala on social media, mina my husband ngithi my husband, engathi abanye abantu abana ma husbands. Hayi bafethu nize nenza ngathi ama husbands weni zinkosi nje, kanti lutho nje into ijola nje njengawo wonke amadoda nje bayajola nje, bajole baze bazala ingane nga2 nga3, umuntu lokho ezalana my husband ezothreatenisha thina. Ngavele ngathi nje ngingabona umuntu ofana noButsabelo Mgube emgaqeni athi sabona sisi ngizocela enyaweni kebudakaba ngoba angeke ama-threats kagogo laphiyana athi mina ngizoya ku-profile yakho ngithole i-picture ngiye ku-PA yami sihlanganise ini bese ngo-12 ebusuku ngathi hayi akusondelwa-ke. Kodwa uma ngabe iqinisa ukuthi ugirl uzale ingane kaSabelo Mgube while gogo Maweni is there, hayi girl uyastraightenisha for uyathanda ukustraightenisha wey gogo. But anyways angazi mhlambe bayayidlala so that they can edit to their reality show, angazi bafethu kuningi kule ndawo. Thank you so much ke for ukubuka i-video, bengitha ni-update ukuthi ke i-case kagogo Maweni ipostponiwe. Yeah man, sizobonana futhi kwenye i-video elandelayo. Bye.